나발렌제도 7살짜리 라트시들이 다와디 치드 인주답게년가 자가르비 슝 저도레 되는지 90 게렌지 주초기 땡서 대불이야 비밀라는 미배우디 진호 공사 장군의 전부 저기 제가 쇼바당 다나신 대불로세 링 타상기 구리낭외 개배 고등기 참대로 숭지 대고 군주도 배벼버려 사르고베 콘라야 공저기 제가 쇼바당 고등기 대고 용도로 학도도 로사바디 나라야 시지 비밀토라야 믹스기 숭딩 가르는 규임에 꼬라야 건디슈베 겁이야 공기 비밀 내구 탐지하라야 통다 바로섬도 로데 규미지 권에 무투 잡교등 규인시 송나송 샴라야 콘라 젠디슈베 레전디 센시나로나 Tell me how it felt to meet His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
I feel very blessed to meet His Holiness Dalai Lama today morning, and I also extended my greetings on behalf of the Government of India and also our prayers for the good health of His Holiness and his long life. For us, His Holiness the Dalai Lama is extremely important, as well as it's necessary for India's spiritual growth, because His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the
Nghe tirin konsikyangwe chimbo choki jiagala jarwe kabliya jagar shungtang nganzo molam ki ngwene jang tsamchi shubayin kongi kungam se tangtang kong kuzirin bushubbe molam dabayin nganzo chomba yina konsi Dalai Lama choni hajangi kegang chimbo yin deshindo jagar ki chujo ki pege la yang medo mirungwa shik yin konsi Dalai Lama choni pe nalinte suigun dundu gyube lamdunba yang daba shiri pe nalinte suigun tenye Nyambe tune sung, Khonsa Dalai Lama Pyuju Nangden Tang Jeba Tarbe Nang Yu, Teni Tengwe So Nawe Gyagarji Hirik Shikri, Gyagarji Chujoji Taju Shikin, Pyumitsu Hirik Di, Zamni Yongla Kyabi Nang Yu, Nye Pyumitsu Gyabjowa Shikdu Zimirungwa Juji Yu, Chepsi Ki Tone Gyabjowa Yinsi Yang, Chujo Tang Jizo Ki Tone Pyumitsu Dakyung Chekuni, Nganzwe Wengen Yinbe Chorna Chung, Pyumitsu Gyagar Nangi Mishianda Tang Toptang Jikdung Yubari, Terten Nye Pyumitsu Rangi Gyabjowa Shikdang, Chimi Shikdu Mitsorbe Pyugushu Juin, Kerangzo Ni, Pe Nalinte Jendangba Yinbe, Gyagar Nang Kerangzo Toptang Yubari, Wenjang Nyadang Di Wangi Pyurik Gyundatur Kangeyang Teji Yu, Terten Nye Khonzo Kange Sewar Gyanlin Chebayin.
As anybody in India. So I appeal to Tibetan people not to feel as a refugee or foreigner, but you are actually the followers of Buddha Dharma. So you have every right in India. But having said that, because of the situation, Tibetan brothers and sisters face problems. So I've extended all my assurance to take care of the issues faced by the Tibetan people.
How is the opening ceremony today?
The ceremony is attended by many senior head Rinpoches and Lamas and many scholars.
Tene wunji ki tsago teleya lajin tang rinpoche mangpo chardo, tando kheba mangpo yang pepdo, khungrang kubju sungzi tonggar ki pali tu batang. Nganzo nyamdo suendep kyang chebare, khungrang kubju tonggar sungzi la ngarang, tuanpyo ki nyamshuk cheju chungwa tere, kadu chenpo chung.
Prayer and celebration on the occasion of the 90th birth anniversary of His Holiness Dalai Lama. So I feel nice, and I'm also excited that I've been invited to take part in the celebration.
Do you have any message for Tibetans inside and outside Tibet?
See, Tibetan people's attitude throughout last 70, 80 years.
Tebe longo tunju tunje ring pyo mingmangi samyo kersu te hajangi seburi, kunzu rangi ngowo tang chwe de rangwang, kongpe tu yu che do pe dun cheburi, nganzo pyo mingmang tang nyamdo yu, nganzo pyo mingmangi nyingdubla yimu chi ji yu, 대신 도 ngarang konsa Dalai Lama choki tetenpa shik yinpe chane nye pimi legu yongla tongda parusumdo loden gyurmi ki kone mutu gyabgyor chi yunin. Lakbar do konsa kyangwe chenpo choki chenla bo nganzor kyawa sangpo chungyu.
I have always stood firmly to support all the movement, especially which is blessed by His Holiness Dalai Lama. Thank you so much.
제기 densa chenpo pande tepungni pimi tikzuk ji chinri nyantin tsembe hojo sargo ba genze chura yin.